Welcome back, traders. So in this video, it will be a signals video on Volatility 75. I've got a section on my YouTube channel called Volatility 75, which is basically a synthetic index, and I haven't posted much in that section. So I'm hopeful that this month we'll post some signals and some charting work on those pairs. So just to show you guys something on my YouTube channel, there's a little link in the right hand corner, and when you click on that link, it should take you to all the brokers I use. And if you go to my international broker, just give it a second. Yes, that is derive.com. That is the broker I use currently to trade majority of the things, but most importantly, I use this broker to trade Volatility 75. And that is a synthetic index, which means basically it's not backed by any financial markets. Like it's nothing, it's not a company, it's not a currency. It's just an algorithm you're trading. So before we get into the signal of this video, it's basically more just an overview, I'd say, of Volatility 75 for this new week. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. So yeah, this is the daily chart on Volatility 75, and basically what I want to show you guys is you can clearly see a bullish market here, and we've got touch number 1. Alright, and we've got touch number 2. And in forex, we got a simple thing where we say that you focus on the third touch. The third touch could either bounce and continue up, or it could break and retest. Now the perfect thing about this trade is on the third touch, when the market eventually reaches the trend line, it closed this candle, the red candle here closes below the trend line, right? And first you can see I drew my my trend line from week to week. You could have drawn from candle body to candle body as well, so it looks something similar to that. Yeah, something like that. But I drew mine from week to week. Like that just gives me an extra space to confirm that the trend line has in fact broken. So now we can see after the trend line broke, we got a retest, which is this blue candle here, which is an indecision candle. And then you see the market pushed all the way down bearish. So that is the current overview on Volatility 75. So the next step I want to give you guys is, this is the overall structure you get from the daily. As we can see, I'm going to say something extremely stupid, but it makes a lot of sense. Look at all these red candles, and you can clearly see it's pushing down hard, which means the market is super bearish. So do not look for buys yet. Alright? What I would advise with Volatility 75 is, if we do get a reversal in the zone, let's say anywhere in this area over here, we could see the market do the following. Let me grab another tool. I could see the market go up, retest that area, and then come down. So let me just change that color. Now I'm gonna show you guys something that I do cover in my course, and that is something called, number 1 is the trend line area. So we can see an area being created over here way before the trend line even breaks, and this is a clear indication of the third touch that something is to come. But you need to wait for it to come towards the trend line. In this case, it closed below the trend line and below the trend line area, so it's sort of an easy sell for you to take, right? And yeah, that's one of the rules or strategies that we teach in my forex course of Volatility 75. So that is a nice giveaway I gave you guys. And then yeah, there's not much I could share, except that on the daily you get your direction, right? So from this point, I'd advise you guys to wait. So my signal on my outlook for Volatility 75 this week is to wait for a reversal, because I believe it should come up, retest this area, and come back down, and you could sell from this area, right? Obviously, your take profit could be whatever you like it to be. If you don't want to be long in the market, it will probably be a very, very short trade. Or if you're in the long term, if you're trading for the long term, you could set your take profit to whatever levels you prefer. But that is my outlook on Volatility 75. I've got lots of tricks and tips up my sleeve when trading Volatility 75. But the main takeaways from this video that I want you guys to get is, this is my outlook volatility 75 this week or these coming weeks. With a trend line drawn from week to week or from body to body. The trend line area trick I told you guys about, of closing below the trend line area and the trend line. And yeah, watch out for the third touch. The third touch is the important thing in forex when it comes to trend lines. And then there's another thing I want to show you guys. That is an area of high confluence. So that put up my 9 exponential moving average and my 18 moving average. And this is basically what we call an area of high confluence, meaning a lot is happening there, which means a move is bound to happen. So you got the trend line, you got the third touch, you got the trend line area, and you got your EMAs crossing over there. And I'm pretty sure the 200 EMA would come in handy as well. Okay, so we've got the 200 moving average as well there. So with all that is crossing over there, there's a high potential that the market will move by a huge percentage. That is the last tip I'm leaving you guys with. From my side, this is a very short video, but if you just focus on what I gave you guys and just apply that to the market, you should be successful this week and the rest of the month and days that are left of May. So from my side, guys, good luck with this week on volatility 75. Don't forget to sign up to the broker that I use to trade volatility 75. And guys, please like this video, comment down below what you want me to do next, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications to make sure you don't miss one video. So guys, don't forget, trade what you see, not what you feel. Peace.